Activate Malwarebytes Privacy VPN with an MB code on a Windows device. Use an MB code when you have Malwarebytes Privacy activated on another device. Open Malwarebytes Privacy and click Settings. Click About. Under Subscription, click Activate a new device and select Windows. Share the download link with the additional Windows device on which you want to activate Malwarebytes Privacy. Download Malwarebytes Privacy. Open the installer and click Install. Click Activate. Click I have a license key or MB code. Return to the active device, and click Next. On the device to be activated, enter your MB code. Click Activate. When the activation completes, click OK. Great. Click through the tutorial or skip. Switch on the toggle to turn on the VPN.